Hi, I'm Leslie from Clem&Thyme Nutrition, and in this video, I'm going to discuss an exciting new science in the field of nutrition called Nutrigenomics. We're soon launching our second cohort of our 6-month Nutrigenomics program titled, Are You Following the Right Diet for Your DNA? We are just getting ready to end our first cohort here in May. We've been working together since last fall, and it's amazing to see the results that people have gotten and hear the feedback. And most often I just hear like, this is just so much different than anything else I've ever tried because, we don't really know your genes and all the other things. So you might hear that this diet might be best for you or hear that you should take this supplement, but without knowing your genetics, it's kind of like an educated guess. And so people really get their own genetic information with this program, and then we do tons of education on what this means and then put it into practice. So, have you ever wondered why one person follows a certain diet and then you follow it and you don't get the same results? Well, it probably stems back to your genes. And knowing that information is like, I always repeat myself and say, these are like signposts. And that knowing your genetic information can lead you to look further here or pull this lab here and find out more information. But without that genetic map, then we're kind of lost at where to go. So the one size fits all approach is not necessarily giving us the best results. So hopefully you'll find that this program, might work for you, and I'm sure that it will. So what is nutrigenomics? Nutrigenomics is technically defined as the scientific study of the interaction of nutrition and genes, especially with regard to the prevention or treatment of disease. So basically knowing what your genes are, like I just said, and then that's one part of the equation, right? And then the other factor is following certain diet, lifestyle, behaviors, which then impact how your genes are expressed. So it's kind of crazy. I love it because I'm like a nerd with the genes. But knowing that after you know your genes and then knowing which nutrients or bioactives can actually turn your genes on, like bring them up. I always say that they're like dimmer switch. Like you can dim them, like bring them down, or you can bring them up. And some genes you want to bring them up and express them more, and others you want to dim them down. And so nutrigenomics is that science of knowing your genes and then impacting how your health is by the food and lifestyle and things that we do. So some people would say, why would I want to know my genes? Your genes are your genes. You can't change them. And that's absolutely true. You can't change your genes, your genes are your genes, but you absolutely can change their expression. And like I said, the whole like dimming, like brightening or lowering, you can turn them on and off based on different nutrition that you consume, nutrients, bioactives, how you're taking care of your stress and your sleep. And all these things can actually impact how your genes are expressed. So I hope this excites you as much as it excites me, just knowing that you might have the key to some of the answers that you've been asking yourself, why certain things are the way that they are, and you just want to optimize the way that you feel. You might feel fine, but maybe you could feel better. And I think that's what this program does for a lot of people. So the waiting list for the course is located in the video description. So scan down there. There will be a link that you can join to be on the wait list. The wait list is going to get the information first of, I'm going to do some free webinars describing, what's in the course and what the 3x4 is the genetic test that we use, what is included in that. They're just going to get most of the information first. So if you are really interested in possibly joining, I would join the wait list. And then of course, follow Clem&Thyme Nutrition on social media and for more information on nutrigenomics and just nutrition and lifestyle overall so that we can help you be healthier on your journey.